In this video, we will see how we can use the Select2 library, Select2 JavaScript library in a Laravel project. Okay, so to demonstrate this, I will take a blank Laravel project. Okay, let me show you. This is the blank Laravel project having only one route, that is named of welcome, and on this route right now it's only written out home page. Okay, so if I run this project homepage, you can see the output here. Okay, so to use the select2 input box, what we need to do, first of all we need to take its source file here from the CDN. For this you just need to go to the select2 URL like this and go to the installation screen. I will post the link in the video description and scroll down to the using select2 from a CDN section. Okay, from here we just need to copy the its CSS and JavaScript file to the appropriate Laravel file. Like right now I am having only one view, that is welcome.blade.php, but if we need to paste this on the complete website, we need to paste this code to the layout file or the header file as per your project requirement. Okay, so in my case I will just take this as it is. Okay, in the page I just need to show the working of it. Okay, so after pasting its CSS and JavaScript file, let me confirm if it's perfectly working or not. Okay, as you can see the CSS and JavaScript is reflected here and it's working. Okay, so now it's working. Now we need to show a input box with the help of select2. For this to demonstrate, I need to write a select and option input. I just take this as an example. Okay, I just write two options here to demonstrate the functionality, and write name, maybe its name is gender. Okay, if we just check its output, you can see the perfect drop down box with the male and female option. Okay, to apply the select to functionality here with the search box, what we need to do, first of all we need to go to the basic user section. Here you can see the one example that's a demonstration of this working. Okay, as you can see it's a normal select box, but its class is something special. Okay, so what will I do, I will just name this input field a class name like gender select option select input. Okay, as you can see I set the select option as gender select input, and if we reload the screen it's like before. Okay, nothing changes. To apply the select to input, what we need to do, we just need to apply the JavaScript from here. Okay, so to process this further, what we need to do, we just hit the select2 function like this on the class name. Okay, so what will I do, I will just copy this code from here and just in my file I just paste this here. Okay, basically it's this code is dependent on jQuery. As you can see it's start with the dollar. So if we sorry, let me just also copy the class name. We just paste the class name here to perfectly target the select option. Okay, so if we try to see this, as you can see it's not working because right now the jQuery is not working. As you can see the jQuery is not defined right now, So I will also link the jQuery. I will also link the jQuery for the select2 files. Okay, I will just link its minified version before the select2 option. As you can see, right now jQuery is perfectly linked up. The select to CSS and JS is also linked up, and now this particular error will not show up again. Okay, so if I reload this, as you can see, the select to option is now showing up. Okay, with the search box. Okay. So as you can see, this is how we can use the select to drop down menu in the Laravel project. It's pretty simple, as you can see. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.